life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Kashiajabre, and today I am going to be reviewing this beautiful wig from ISEE Hair. This is actually a half wig in the Burmese curly texture, which y'all know, if you know, this is my favorite texture of all time, and I'm so excited to bring you guys this video because it's my first time doing Burmese curly with color. So get into it. But before we hop into this video, make sure y'all give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. Let's just go ahead and hop right into this. Alright, so as y'all can see, I am starting out looking absolutely crazy, but I have my leave out parted out, and I am going to be using my wig grip band today. You can get these at like the beauty supply store. They're only like $3, and that is just so that it protects your natural hair. So I'm just gonna put this right behind the leave out that I have, and then we're gonna go ahead and open up this package. I am so excited because I took a little peek and it got some color, and I haven't done a half wig with color, so I am super excited, and it's my favorite curl pattern, which is Burmese curly. So ooh, okay, look y'all. Now I'm not gonna lie, my hair is definitely dark, but we might be able to make something work. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like with the combs on the inside. It has no lace, and there is a drawstring in the back for tightness and security, and then there's also another band as well. Okay, let's go ahead and put her on. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, y'all, this, I'm not gonna lie, it's scaring me. Okay, change of plans. What I'm gonna do is push all of my leave out back because I can already see that this is going to require minimal leave out. So I'm gonna take my wig grip band and I am going to put that over my hairline and kind of like push it back just a little bit. I'm gonna take the wig. I always like to find the middle clip and put this on. Okay, so now that I have the wig on, I know y'all probably like, girl, what are you doing? Now we're gonna put out just a little bit of leave out, just enough to be able to cover the front of the wig. We're just gonna pull out some baby hairs and go ahead and style those, because what is a half wig without baby hairs? I promise y'all it is gonna come together. But yeah, with this being not the exact color of my natural hair, I am just gonna pull out as minimal leave out as possible, only as much as needed. I'm not gonna do like how I normally would. I'm just gonna pull out just a little bit. So that's the easiest way to do it, is just to slick your hair back and then pull out what you need. That way it is not like overdoing it, you know? And now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. Okay, so now that I have the baby hairs done, it is already looking a lot more blended. So now it's time to actually blend this leave out. So what I'm gonna do is just take my mini flat iron, and I'm just gonna do like really tight curls going backwards. With my real hair, I'm just gonna twirl and twirl and twirl, twirl. And as you guys can see, it just gave me a super tight curl, and it's not much leave out, but what I do have, I'm just gonna do that same thing. So now here's where the finesse come in. You wanna take your finger and kind of just like push the hair over and under. And because we did that tight curl, you're able to like wrap your hair around the hair if needed to like give that extra blend. And so with that, it just kind of looks like a gradient. And now I'm gonna focus on these curls. I'm just gonna pull them apart. And after you are done, this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it is super blended. It is so pretty. I love this color. It's giving highlights. I'm so obsessed with this curl pattern. Burmese curly is always going to be my favorite. It's just came in the game and just took over, and I am so obsessed. So this is what it looks like. Literally took me maybe 5 minutes. Like my camera says 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Took me little to no time, and I am ready to go out the door. I'm so obsessed, and if you like this hair, I will have it listed down below. So do not forget to go down there. But that is it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and if you like these videos, make sure y'all give me a big old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. Get into this hair. So freaking cute, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.